In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Wix website to previous versions. If you ever make changes to your site and later decide that an earlier version was actually better, Wix gives you a simple way to look back through saved revisions and restore one when needed. This can be especially helpful if a layout changed unexpectedly, some content was removed, or you just want to roll back to a version that looked and worked better. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you're inside your account, find the website you want to work on and select it. Then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll access the tools needed to review your website's history. When the editor opens, go to the top menu bar and click Site. From the drop-down menu, choose Site History, and then click Go to Site History. Wix will open a new tab or panel where you can view your saved site backups. On the left side, you'll see a chronological list of revisions or snapshots of your site. These are organized by date, which makes it easier to track when certain changes were made. If you're not sure which version you need, take your time here. Click the arrow next to a date to preview how your website looked and functioned at that exact moment. This preview step is very useful because it lets you confirm that you're choosing the right version before restoring anything. Continue browsing through the available snapshots until you find the version you want to recover. As you compare them, pay attention to the design, text, images, and overall structure of the pages so you can be confident in your selection. Once you've identified the correct snapshot, click the blue Restore button. Wix will ask you to confirm your choice in a pop-up window. After you confirm, that version will be restored inside your editor. One important thing to understand is that restoring a revision is a completely non-destructive process for your current live site until you republish. In other words, your visitors will not see the restored version right away. This gives you a chance to review the recovered site one more time and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to make that recovered version visible to your visitors, go ahead and publish your website again. That final publish action is what makes the restored version live. And that's it. Thanks for watching.